Het jy al ooit gewonder of jou maatjie se ma vir hulle meer pak gegee het?
Hi, we're here at UJ campus and today we're going to be asking the fellow students what their moms thought when they were in trouble as kids and what was their mom's reactions. So, what did your mom do when you were in trouble as a kid?
She abused me.
Can you give us an imitation of this abuse?
I'm not going to imitate it for you, but I can tell it to you.
Okay.
She threw her pots and her pans at me. And she threw her slippers at me, and yeah. If I still didn't listen, she told my father.
My mom was normally my dad that used to punish me.
Okay, what did he do?
He used to spank my butt.
She never used to do anything. She used to say, I'm gonna phone your dad, and when he comes home tonight, you're gonna get the beating of your life.
They wouldn't shout me, they just shout my siblings because I'd cry too much and wouldn't stop crying.
She gave me the hiding of my life.
She took a stick and murdered me.
My mom is die tipe tannie, sy staan en kyk so vir jou, en draai sy om en dan kom sy terug met so pink slipper. En dan hardloop jy en sy ma het my gejaag want ek is baie vinnig. Gee sy my pak slaag. Dis my ma, ja.
No, she'd just be like this, you know. That's what she'd do when I was a kid.
My mother would make me fetch a cane from the tree and she'd beat me with it.
Jy weet die liniaal, gewoonlik was dit my regterhand wat altyd stoute goed gedoen het. Dan vat my ma uit so daai paplepels en klap my knuckles stikkend laat dit bloei.
Okay, so Evie, you interviewed everyone now. Can you tell me how your mom used to hit you when you were naughty?
Well, she would either say, I'm gonna tell your dad, or she'd smack me like this.
Ah, that was so mean.
So what did your mom do?
My mom used to take a welland that she uses to make roti and she used to hit me with.
Ah! Thanks, cheers from MK.